Hello children, welcome to the online edu class of science in which we are going to study chapter 7 Rocks and Minerals. Children, our today's topic is rocks and their friends. Let us move on to our next rock, that is sedimentary rocks. As the word itself says, sedimentary rocks are formed of particles like sand, clay, mud, pebbles and fossils. These particles build up in the bottom of the large bodies of water like lakes or oceans. Above the ground, layer forms because of weathering and erosion. After lot of layer starts to build up on the top, it gets deposited. Now we are going to study types of sedimentary rocks. First type is sandstone. Second type is conglomerate. Third type is limestone. And fourth one is your shale. Our first rock is sandstone. Sandstone is found in lakes, rivers, floodplains and beaches. They are also deposited deep inside the water. They are prepared from sand and are of various colors like brown, pink and red. Sandstone is used in building of monuments. It is also used in making of roads, as well as it is used in making of buildings. Our next rock is conglomerate. It is formed from the pebbles and gravels which are cemented together. It generally occurs in grey and orange color. It is having an uneven texture. They are used in the construction as well as used as ornamental rocks, that means in decoration of floor and walls of the room. Our next friend is shale. Clay and mud deposit to form the shale because it is rich in clay. The ceramic industry uses shale to make bricks, tiles and potteries. Moving on to the next type of sedimentary rocks, that is limestone. Limestone contains minerals like calcite. It is used in making chalk, as well as it is used in making of buildings. Then it is used in making of glass. It is used in making of cements, and also it is used in extraction of metals from the ores. Now we are going to see the uses of sedimentary rocks. They are used in as fossils. We can see the fossils of print of leaves on the sedimentary rocks. The fossils in the form of bones of animals and fossils in the form of footprints, which can be seen only on the sedimentary rocks. Our next rock is metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock are formed by the action of heat and high pressure on igneous and sedimentary rocks. As you can see in the picture, that is pressure from the ocean as well as heat from the deeper part of the earth, that is core region, exerts pressure and give rise to the formation of metamorphic rocks. Types of metamorphic rocks. First, that is slate. It is prepared from shale. from the mud and clay particles. Next is gneiss. Gneiss, it is prepared from granite, which is one of the commonly used igneous rock. It has light and dark bands. Next is marble. Marble is a widely used metamorphic rock. It occurs in different colors like white, which is commonly used. This rock is commonly used in making of statues, buildings, and are also available in different colors. Next is quartzite. It is very hard sandstone. It is used in making statues as well as it is used in making different types of ornaments. So let us summarize what we have learned till now. We have learned three types of rocks, that is igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. I hope you might have understood all the things which we have discussed. Thank you for watching.